This is the 4th grade Lesson 10 worksheet. Congruence and similarity. Determine whether the blue and red figures are congruent, similar, or neither. So, number 1, we can see that the blue and red figures are both the same shape and are the same size. So they would be congruent. Number 2, here we can see that both figures are the same shape and different sizes. So the two figures would be similar. But they won't be congruent because they aren't the same size. Number 3, the two figures are not the same shape because this one is a circle and this one is an oval, so it would be neither of them. Number 4, we can see that the two figures are the same shape but different sizes, so the two figures would be similar and not congruent because again they aren't the same size, so they wouldn't be congruent. Coordinates. Write the ordered pairs for the points. So the way we would write an ordered pair is x, y, meaning we look at the x-axis first and then look at the y-axis of the point. So first, for point A, if we look at the y-axis, if we look at the x-axis, it's located at x is equal to 4, and it's also located at y is equal to 5. So the ordered pair for A would be 4, 5. Point B, if you look here, it's located at x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So the ordered pair would be 3, 1. C is located at x is equal to -5 and y is equal to 1. So it would be -5, 1. D, if we look here, it's located at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -3. So the way we would write this would be 2, -3. For E, it's located at x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -4. So we would write this as -1, -4. Point F, so at this point, if you look at the x-axis, it's located at x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. So we would write this as 7, 2. G, again, located at x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 6. So we would write this as -3, 6. H, located at x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 3. So the ordered pair would be -1, 3. Word problems. Read the problem and solve. Number 1, the coordinate plane is split into 4 quadrants like so. Do you notice anything about the points in these quadrants? So if you look at quadrant 1, the ordered pair would be positive, positive, meaning that the x value for the for the ordered pairs in the first quadrant would be positive, and the y value for the ordered pairs in the first quadrant would be positive as well. For quadrant 2, the x values, it would be negative and the y values would be positive. So the ordered pair would be negative, positive. Quadrant 3, the x values would be negative and the y values would also be negative. So negative, negative. And lastly, for the fourth quadrant, the x value would be positive and the y value will be negative.